What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So we are back with another wig install, and today we are working with Sunber here. This is your packaging, and we received a goodie bag with some gifts. So they also sent us this wig cap, and this is just as thin as the pantyhose, and I was never gonna do a bald cap method, but because they sent us this wig cap, I'm definitely gonna use their wig cap to do a bald cap method. This is the perfect wig cap for that, by the way. This is our wig for today, guys. You know it's fall season. People are craving colored wigs. Sunber here got you guys. They got this beautiful auburn reddish brown deep wave unit, and this is perfect for this time of the year. This unit actually is a 26-inch 13x4 deep wave unit, and this color is just beautiful. Basically everything was done to this unit already. It comes with pre-made baby here. It's already pre-plucked. It has the strap already, so all you need to do is to install your wig. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sunber here, their website is in my description. Go ahead, click that link, make your purchase. This is the wig for today. It is their 26-inch 13x4 auburn reddish brown deep wave wig, and this is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Use my special code to get your discounts. If you want to get any other products from Sunber here, their link is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. That's basically all you need to know about this wig straight out the box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into my hair braided over already. I'm just gonna put the wig cap on that they sent for us. This is basically what it looks like. It is super thin, pretty much like the pantyhose. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig cap on. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. I already applied some foundation to the lace. I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. Now I'm about to apply some olive oil wig grip spray around the hairline. Then we tie this down and finish styling our wig. But this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So this is what it's looking like after I applied the glue to the hairline. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, and then we finish styling our wig. Okay guys, so I just finished curling my wig and it took me all day to get these curls, first of all. But I didn't want it to use water. I wanted to just get some really nice curls. And this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull them out. Like this. I want it to be a little bit loose, not too tight. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really do love how these curls came out. It is looking super cute right now and I am just in love with this unit. Like, the lace smells so good, the color is so pretty, and the overall quality of this hair is just amazing. This is it. It is so fluffy. I didn't want to do the water wavy because I really wanted to get these curls detailed, and I love how they turned out. This is it. Once again, this unit is from Sunber here, and this is their 26-inch auburn reddish brown 13x4 transparent lace deep wave wig, and this is it. It is looking super cute. I love how it came out. This is it. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sunber here, their website is down below. Go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. I am super pleased with the results. I love this unit. The color is super pretty. Like, I just love how it looks. This is it. It's giving fluffy, it's giving cute, it's giving laid. I just love how it turned out. This is it. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.